Alright, I'm at the junkyard. Here's a 92 F-150. Yeah, 0492. It's the same year as mine. It does have a 5.8 liter, but I think all these parts from the tensioner should be good. So I'm hunting for the tensioner. There it is. There's the tensioner. Seems to be good, rolling good. I need it. And I'll grab this bracket. This is like a AC delete bracket that I'm gonna grab. So just need to get this off. Yeah. Leave it here for now. Oh, it's carb. Well, no, can't be. It's a carburetor for something else. Can't be from here. Anywho, this is a light. Also not from it, I guess. Right. This and that, and I'm gone. Oh, and let's measure the belt. Because I need a new belt. Let's measure this. Okay, this one is done. It seems to be a Ford original part. So this was a unit without AC, or Ford did make original AC delete brackets. And this one's a bit more stubborn. I have to kind of wiggle it around. So this is the bolt I need to remove, but it's a bit rusty. There you go. Okay, no, it will go now. So this is how it works. There's a hole here and a bolt, and this is the bolt, and kind of a little dimple here that goes into that hole, and that's how it's secured there. So that's what I need to do on my truck. Hopefully it will work for me. And this is again a Ford part original. So, well, I just looked at this pulley and it's cracked, so we'll need to get another one. Okay, finally I got it from this one. It's a 5 liter, but it's 89, I believe. So, but the tensioner was the same. I took it out and I'll take it. It seems to be fine. Here is the one I got from the junkyard, and it fits fine. Alright, so this is the belt I took off from my truck. It definitely needs to be changed, as you can see. And what I did, I measured the whole length of it, and it's actually not 93, it's 91, roughly, 91 and a little bit. So, and then I kind of put it on the way it should be and estimated how much I need, and I need this much shorter. And it turns out this is around 6 inches shorter, so I would need something like 85-inch belt, but I read that it's 87.5 or even 88.5. Okay, I got from Napa actually an 87.5 and 5/8, so just a little bit more than a half, and I think that should be fine. And this is the old one that was 91.5. So there you go. I'll try this one and see if it works. Okay, so finally here you go. The tensioner from the junkyard worked really good, and the new belt is in. And it's actually not 87.5, I couldn't fit it in, but 88.5. 88.5 is what worked for me, and I routed it exactly like the factory routing. Here's the AC pump, power steering pump, there at the bottom. Here is the fan, and below the fan there's the crankshaft, and there's at the bottom the air pump, which is not functioning, and there's no pulley there, so it's bypassed. And then we go to the alternator, and here is the tensioner. So there you go, exactly like the factory setup, except the air pump, and 88.5 worked good for me. I guess 88 also could work, but 87.5, I couldn't get it on. So I guess it depends on the pulley size. Maybe this tensioner pulley is a bit smaller on some models, a bit bigger, but this is from the junkyard, so I have no idea if it's the exact fit or not. But let's start it up and see if it works. All right, let's see what happens. Everything works. It works good. I'll just turn on the heat here. Charging as it should. Seems to work.